Boruto manga chapter 53 was one hell of a ride. Now you may not like the way in which some of the things were handled in this particular chapter, for example the quote-unquote nerf of Sasuke, but still this chapter has a lot of stuff going on here which will be very important for the series moving forward. So hello and welcome to Undervisey, my name is Soham and today we are going to talk about Boruto manga chapter 53 in regards to Boruto's despair because of the curse of Momoshiki. But before that, if you are new here, then please consider subscribing to the channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content. We're also trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, so a like and sub would be massively appreciated. With that being said, let's begin this video, but before that, a mandatory manga spoiler warning. Now, there's a lot of different stuff that is going on in this particular chapter, and there are some parts of it which I absolutely loved, and there are some parts which I didn't like that much. For example, the quote-unquote nerf of Sasuke Uchiha. But still, I've made a video in this particular regard as to why exactly this was necessary for the plot to move forward, as well as why it makes sense for Momoshiki or rather Boroshiki to extract revenge upon Sasuke because of how exactly things went down during the original Momoshiki fight. But before that, this chapter deals with the entire Kawaki situation and how Kawaki was brought forth into this particular dimension because of Naruto's chakra embedded into his right arm. There are some really good stuff going on here, and we also get to see the ending of the Byron Mode fight, and of course we have the usual shenanigans that are going on here. And for me personally, the best part of this chapter was how Kawaki handles the entire situation, and especially how he remembers that Hokage Naruto is the very first person who actually accepted him in his life and he owes him a lot. He also remembers that he is actually his student, and in a way he also begins to use his own ninja way because he goes on to show some absolutely fabulous stuff here. One of my personal favorites being the Shadow Clone Jutsu. I was really not expecting this, rather not just me, nobody was expecting this to be honest, and Ishiki Otsutsuki is absolutely taken aback by this. He thought that he had won the day, he had won the fight because he was successful in engraving the karma upon Kawaki because he was trying to blackmail Kawaki by using Naruto as a hostage. But it is revealed at the end that the tables have turned because Kawaki actually used a Shadow Clone Jutsu in order to substitute with his real self, and now Ishiki Otsutsuki is apparently dead. Now of course I have my questions over this and how things were handled here, and if at all Ishiki Otsutsuki is actually dead or not. I'll talk about all these stuff in the upcoming videos. There's a lot of different videos that are coming out in regards to this particular chapter this week, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for more. But anyway, moving on. At the very end of this chapter, we see finally the reveal of Boroshiki, who immediately targets Sasuke because of his revenge. Now here in my opinion, this perfectly symbolizes the pain and despair in the life of Boruto Uzumaki because of the curse of Momoshiki. This goes all the way back to the original Momoshiki fight where Momoshiki actually cursed Boruto because of defeating him via the Karma Mark. And here we have to remember for a fact that Momoshiki actually told Boruto that those blue eyes will one day lose everything. So it is pretty evident from this chapter that this story is about to take a pretty dark turn in the future of the series. Now as you can see in this particular panel, this is pretty evident as well. Because here Boroshiki is actually showing us two parts of Boruto. The right side is actually showing the side of Momoshiki, which is slowly taking over Boruto's left half, and the facial expressions here are absolutely spot on. As you can see here, one half is actually smiling and the other half, that is the half of Boruto, is actually sad. This in my opinion perfectly describes the entire scenario, and this will slowly become worse and worse because Boruto will slowly lose everything because of the prophecy of Momoshiki, or rather the curse of Momoshiki. Already the Karma Mark progression has gone up to 80% according to Amado, and soon Momoshiki will take over Boruto's entire body and Boruto Uzumaki will stop existing as a person himself. And this is the cursed fate of Boruto, that one day he will lose everything. And that is actually the starting point here because he is actually attacking his very own master, the master whom he loves so much and respects so much in the form of Sasuke. Now once Boruto actually wakes up from this mode, he will feel absolutely terrible for doing something like this. And this will just mark the beginning of the change, and this will possibly lead us to the time skip as well, where Boruto will eventually leave the village because he does not want any of his loved ones to get hurt anymore. That will also lead us to the Sarada stuff as well, so the story is of course going to take a pretty dark turn in my opinion. But this is it for this quick video, guys. There are many more stuff that can be talked about Boruto manga chapter 53, from the Byron mode stuff to the Rinnegan stuff to Ishiki Otsutsuki as well as Kawaki's Shadow Clone Jutsu. Now I have already talked about Sasuke's Rinnegan in 2 prior videos, the links to which are in the description below as well as in the I button. I would highly advise you all to go through those videos because they are having some very interesting discussion in my opinion. Moreover, more review videos in regards to the other concepts of this chapter will be coming out soon on the channel. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get my videos as soon as I upload them. But this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Please mention your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think is going to happen in the future of the series? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. So this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is Wonder by Z and I'll see you soon on the next one.